Hello everyone, I am Sharan. In this video, we are going to discuss chapter 12th of 10th class, that is application of trigonometry. Okay, so here the chapter name itself indicates the basic concept. Okay, application of trigonometry, that means where we are applying the trigonometry concept in our day-to-day life. Okay, so let us discuss two basic concepts regarding this chapter. Okay, so angle of elevation and angle of depression. Okay, angle of depression. So these two basic concepts let us discuss. Okay, so let a person standing on the floor and watching a tower. Okay, so let AB be the person and CD be the tower head. Okay, so let a person is watching the top of the tower. Okay, so the line drawn from the eye of the observer. So here AB, the person is considered as the observer, as he observed the top of the tower. Okay, so the line drawn from the eye of the observer to the point view is known as line of sight. Okay, so this line is known as line of sight. Okay, and the line drawn parallel to the earth, okay, so is known as horizontal line. Okay, next, the angle between this line of sight and horizontal is known as angle of elevation. Okay, so the angle between line of sight and horizontal is known as angle of elevation. Similarly, let AB be the building, okay, and CD be a tree. Okay, so let a person standing on the top of a building and watching the tree which is on the ground. Okay, so the line drawn from the eye of the observer and the point view is known as line of sight. We know that this is known as line of sight. Okay, and so this is the ground. Okay, next, the line drawn parallel to the ground is known as horizontal. Okay, so here the person is standing on the top of the building and watching the tree which is on the ground. Okay, the line drawn from the eye of the observer to the point viewed is known as line of sight, and the line drawn parallel to the ground is known as horizontal, and the angle between the line of sight and horizontal, this is known as angle of depression. Okay, so since the person is watching from the top, so here angle is considered angle of depression. So here the person is watching from the ground, so here angle of elevation. So angle of elevation and angle of depression. So here angle of elevation, here line of sight is above the horizontal. In angle of elevation, line of sight is above the horizontal. In line of angle of depression, line of sight is below the horizontal. Okay, so angle of elevation equal to angle of depression. So since they are alternate angles, so suppose let us take, let this be the building. So here one person is standing, so person 1, and let another person who is standing on the ground, so person 2. Okay, okay, so the person who is standing on the ground watches the person who is standing on the top. So this line is known as line of sight. Line of sight. Okay, next, the line drawn parallel to the ground is horizontal. So this angle is angle of elevation. Angle between horizontal and line of sight is the angle of elevation. And similarly, the person who is standing on the top of the building watches the person who is standing on the ground. So the line drawn from the eye of the observer to the point viewed, so is known as line of sight. Same line is line of sight. And the line drawn parallel to the horizontal to the ground from the eye of the observer is known as horizontal. Okay, so this is the horizontal. So this angle is angle of depression. So this is the angle of elevation, this is the angle of depression. So both horizontals are parallel. Okay, so since they are parallel, this line of sight is considered as the transversal. So that means angle of elevation and angle of depression both are alternate angles. So angle of elevation equal to angle of depression in case. So here we are applying the trigonometric concept to find the height of a building, height of the pole, and the distance traveled by a person, so etc. Okay, so for all this purpose we are using the basic concept of trigonometry. So this is the basic regarding this chapter.